In this tutorial, we will show you how to install your Roamless eSIM on your iPhone using the direct installation method. We will also guide you on how to adjust your primary SIM settings and configure your Roamless eSIM settings. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is eSIM compatible and that airplane mode is turned off. For a smooth installation, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. In the Roamless app, tap Install Now on the home screen. When prompted, tap Activate to begin the installation. Wait around 10 to 15 seconds. Tap Continue. Next, you'll see options for where you want to use your eSIM. Tap Abroad, then tap Continue. For which type of plan do you have, tap Data Only, and tap Continue again. To confirm that Roamless eSIM is ready to use, tap Done. As the final step, tap eSIM Activation Complete to finish the installation. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your Roamless eSIM installation. When you're abroad, it's important to adjust your primary SIM settings. Here's how. Go to Settings, then tap Cellular. Under SIMs, select Primary. This is your main phone line. Turn data roaming off for your primary SIM. You can also choose to turn off your primary SIM completely while traveling. This means you won't receive calls or SMS, but your Roamless eSIM will stay active. Keep in mind, if your primary SIM is on while abroad, answering or making calls or sending SMS will lead to roaming charges from your carrier. To avoid this, keep your primary SIM off and use only your Roamless eSIM. Messaging and call features on apps like WhatsApp, iMessage, and Messenger will still work with your Roamless eSIM. Next, let's configure your Roamless eSIM settings. Go to Settings, then tap Cellular. Under SIMs, select Roamless. Enable Turn on this line and turn data roaming on for your Roamless eSIM. To conserve your data usage, tap Data Mode and select Low Data Mode. Go back one screen, tap Cellular Data, and choose Roamless from the list. Congratulations! You're ready to travel with Roamless eSIM. When you're back home, remember to turn on your primary SIM and turn off your Roamless eSIM until you travel again. Whenever you need further assistance, please contact our support team. They are always happy to help.